Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay, and today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's just like an orange look. It could be blended out a little bit more, but whatever. I ain't no makeup artist. The scarf is going to be on the whole time because my hair does look a mess under here, so just let me be great because my next video is going to be a wig video. I'm about to fix my hair up and everything like that, so stay tuned for that video. If you're interested at all in how I got like this orange look, then just stay tuned. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up and smack the out of your screen where the subscribe button is and where the like button is and where the comment section is. Smack your phone, but don't get a crack in it because you still need to see this video. Before we get into the video, be sure to follow me on all of my social media accounts. They are going to all be listed down in the description box below. Now let's get into it. Okay y'all, like I said before, I like doing my makeup in natural lighting, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. It is a little bit too dark for me, as you can see, but it's in the color 4.05, and I'm gonna put this on my face. Now I'm going to take my LA Pro Grow Concealer, and this is going to be in the color Cool Tan, and that's what I'm going to highlight with. I'm gonna also put a little teeny bit of this light ivory and like mix it in only under my eyes. Just because I want like a bright under eye. That's it. Now I'm going to take some of this Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to of course put in the same areas that I highlighted. Now I'm going to take the powder in the color 355 Coconut, and that's what I'm going to bronze my face with. I'm going to dust this powder away. So we're done with the face for now. We're going to come back to it, but we're done with it for now. On to the eyes. Okay y'all, I gotta hurry up because the sun's starting to go down. If y'all see glitter all over my face or eyes, it's just because I just did a glitter look and didn't like it, so yeah. So I'm gonna take this palette that I got from Amazon. super pigmented. I'm gonna first take that shade right there, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. Ignore my brushes, like I cannot find any of my good brushes. Actually, I'm gonna go over that shade because it's ugly. I'm gonna go over it with this one right here. This shade right here. I'm gonna take just a tad of which one? This color right here, and I'm gonna put that like. Should I put it on my lid? I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. Put some in my inner corners. And blend in a little bit more. For my lips, I'm going to use this NYX lip pencil in the color dark brown. NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the color Creme Brulee. This is a Victoria's Secret lip gloss in the color Mocktail Hour. And now I'm gonna put my lashes on. Yeah, I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so a few things happened off camera. One, I put my lashes on and put mascara. Two, I fixed my eyebrows a little bit. And what else did I do? Yeah, I put the mascara on my bottom lashes, and I also put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. The color I used on my lower lash line was this color right here. And I had to do all that off camera just because the sun is starting to set and I was like racing with time. I didn't have time to be fooling around with this shit. So this is the finished look right here. Ooh. I'm no makeup artist, bitch, so don't try to critique me in the comments or anything like that because I'm not a makeup artist. I just like doing makeup. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video and you like this look, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell as well because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, okay? Also, before you go, be sure to follow me on all of my social media accounts. They're all going to be listed down in the description box for y'all. Adios.